Hello, Karabo here. So in the next 2 weeks, we will be discussing 8 tips to delegate your way to freedom. In this week, I'll be discussing tip number 1 to 4, and in the next week, 5 to 8. So some would argue that delegation comes with certain issues. I mean, there may be some potential pitfalls with delegating work to other people. In this video, I will be discussing some tips on how to navigate this process. Tip number 1, give deadlines. Make sure that you communicate the deadline of the assignment to the recipient so that they are able to make sure that come that date, the work is then ready for you. Tip number 2, provide training when necessary. Depending on the delegated task, you may have to provide additional training to the task recipient in order to get the work that you expect at the quality that you expected. Tip number 3, confirm that the assignment is understood. Depending on the task, you may have to confirm with the recipient whether they understand the assignment to make sure that execution is well done with regards to the delegated task. And last but not least, convey expectations on quality. Convey the message to the recipient on the quality that you expect and that you prefer, so that you are happy with the delegated task once it is brought back to you. So next week we will discuss tips number 5 to 8 on our journey to master the art of delegation.